Foxwoods Resort Casino announced on Friday that Gordon Ramsay will be opening New England's first Hell's Kitchen restaurant in the summer of 2023. The restaurant, which takes inspiration from the hit TV series, will be located in Connecticut and will be the sixth Hell's Kitchen in the U.S. The restaurant will have a seating capacity of almost 260 guests, with a chef's counter and a 40-seat private dining room. The menu will include popular dishes such as beef Wellington and sticky toffee pudding. It will offer an immersive dining experience that combines the energy and excitement of a busy kitchen with upscale comfort and sophistication. We are thrilled to welcome Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen to Foxwoods Resorts Casino in the heart of New England, said Chef Gordon Ramsay. I am excited to bring guests from all over the Northeast to our newest location. Jason Guillot, president and CEO of Foxwoods Resort Casino, stated that, as the leading resort casino destination in the Northeast, we are always looking for new and unique ways to elevate our guests' experience. The addition of Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen in partnership with one of the world's most renowned chefs further solidifies our portfolio of world-class dining at our property. We look forward to offering guests, foodies, and fans of the hit show alike another unparalleled experience that continues to set Foxwoods apart as a premier travel destination. Gordon Ramsay's Kitchen in Boston opened at the Mandarin Oriental on January 24, 2022, and the celebrity chef has also announced plans to open a Gordon Ramsay burger in Boston, featuring his signature butter-basted burgers, fries, scratch-made sauces, and hand-spun milkshakes.